Cramerton, North Carolina, pressure washing. If you are trying to find reliable pressure washing in Cramerton, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. We pride ourselves on serving our community, providing top-notch pressure washing services to homeowners and businesses in Cramerton, NC, helping you maintain your property's curb appeal. Our team is fully licensed, insured, and bonded for your protection, ensuring a safe and reliable experience every time we're at your doorstep. We use eco-friendly solutions whenever possible. By partnering with us, you'll not only get the job done right, but also support local businesses and help preserve the quality of life in our beautiful town of Cramerton, North Carolina. Our team takes pride in serving Cramerton, North Carolina residents with reliable pressure washing services, ensuring driveways and sidewalks are clean and safe for families and pets. In Cramerton, North Carolina's neighborhoods, tough stains can be unsightly and even damage your home's exterior. Our eco-friendly cleaning solutions gently remove dirt and grime without harming the environment. By partnering with us, homeowners in Cramerton, North Carolina can trust that their property will receive the attention it needs to look its best, from curb appeal to protecting the value of their investment. Our team is made up of local experts who understand the unique challenges of Cramerton, North Carolina's homes and businesses, ensuring a job well done every time in this North Carolina community. Their extensive experience with various pressure washing techniques allows them to tackle even the toughest stains on homes, buildings, and sidewalks across Cramerton, NC, removing dirt, grime, and mildew effectively. The equipment used by our team is state-of-the-art and designed specifically for residential and commercial pressure washing in Cramerton, North Carolina, providing a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution for every surface type. Regular maintenance from our team can help prevent costly repairs down the line by removing dirt, debris, and algae buildup on driveways, walkways, and other outdoor features in Cramerton's homes. By choosing our pressure washing services, homeowners in Cramerton, NC can enjoy a clean, well-maintained appearance that increases their property value and enhances curb appeal, making their neighborhood even more desirable. Pressure washing removes dirt, grime, and mildew from surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, and buildings, restoring their original appearance and extending their lifespan with regular maintenance and upkeep. If you are looking for pressure washing in Cramerton, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with a free estimate and convenient scheduling to get your home or property sparkling clean today. Click the link below to learn more.